So you've seen my arches before, the triangle arch, the barrel arch. Today we present the highly sought after and now easily accessible circle arch plans. What's up guys, it's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and today we're gonna take a look at how to build a circle arch. We're also gonna take a dive into how the flowers were created for the circle arch. Everyone loves circle arches, especially when they're made out of wood and when you can build them yourself, kinda. Let's get into it. Circle arch. So me and Les did all the hard work of figuring everything already out for you. All you need is basically 4x8 sheet of plywood, just like this guy right here. I mean, essentially you could just put them on plywood, cut them out and attach them together. That's up to you. But I'm here to just show you what we have going and then offer you our plans that we created for you. We did something more simplistic without the designs in the middle, just in case you wanted something more simple. You can add the designs if you want yourself. So when we did this circle arch, we kept in mind that it has to be portable. So this is it when it's packed up. It's got 5 pieces and it's got 2 legs and some hardware. So you're gonna wanna head over to our website and download the plans. We price them very cheap so that you can get started at minimal cost. Buying a circle arch, now that's expensive. Building a circle arch, now that's what I'm talking about. So this arch right here fits nicely on a 4x8 sheet of plywood. So you know that you could buy, like, say, an inch thick sheet of plywood and you know it would easily fit there. So that would be your cost. On top of the plywood, the hardware, and the plans, the CNCing shouldn't be more than about 50 bucks. Okay, so you see the back of the arch here, there's just carved in slots that we have, and then we just take the other piece, so this piece right here, the wooden piece sticking out there, it just slides into this one here, and then we bolt it in so that it completes the piece. Okay, so all the flowers on my arches, all the pretty things in my rental company, all the backgrounds in the videos that I take are all because of my wife. So I think it's time we get a feminine touch to the video. So let's do it. Jen?
Hey everybody. Okay, so this is my very first time doing this. I have absolutely no training or anything like that. It's just what I like to do.
Well, she's clearly a natural.
So anyways, my husband owns a rental business and I like to make wedding arches and stuff, and I do my own flower arrangements. And so come along with me. Today I'm going to show you how I made a flower arrangement for wedding art. Almost all of the materials that I bought, actually I think all of them, came from just my local dollar store here in Canada. The best one is Dollarama. Dollarama usually has like a really good selection of stuff to choose from, and of course it's reasonably priced. So the flowers, I always usually go with a neutral color because colors are so specific to weddings. So white, cream, those kinds of colors, that goes with anybody's decor. So I put all my flowers in first, or as much as I think that, you know, fill it in and make it look good. And then I start going in over top with the greenery.
You're on camera. I said it before and I'll say it again. It's all how you package things. So I've got the circle arch right here. So it comes in 5 pieces and we'll wrap that up. And then I've got the flowers in the bin here. It's all about presentation. Thanks for watching, everyone. I have full confidence now that you've seen this that you have the opportunity to level up by getting one of these circle arches in your arsenal, whether you're a bride looking to build it, a bride or a groom, or you're a rental company who wants to start renting these out, or a bride who wants to become a rental company after you get one of these and have it at your wedding and then start renting it. You know what I mean. Blah, blah, blah. You're awesome. As always, you stay classy. We'll catch you on the next one.